Hello student. So the topic that we are going to discuss is the coordinate geometry, and today we are going to discuss about the formulas that are important formulas that can be used in the chapter coordinate geometry. So the first formula for today is section formula. तो आज हम पढ़ेंगे सेक्शन फार्मूला बेसिकली क्या होता है. तो सेक्शन फार्मूला मानते हैं हम, लेट अस सपोज कि एक लाइन है हमारे पास जो कि क्या है पी क्यू, कि हमारे पास एक लाइन है जो कि क्या है पी क्यू लाइन है जिसके जिसके हमको पॉइंट्स दिए गए हैं पी और क्यू. ओके, जिसके हमको पॉइंट दिए गए हैं पी क्यू और पी के कोऑर्डिनेट्स मान लेते हैं कि ये x1, y1 और क्यू के कोऑर्डिनेट्स हैं x2, y2. ओके, और लेट्स कंसिडर कि एक पॉइंट है जो कि r, जो कि क्या कर रहा है p और q को डिवाइड कर रहा है इन द रेशियो m1:m2. ठीक, तो अगर हमको मान लो क्वेश्चन आता है कि लेट्स फाइंड द कोऑर्डिनेट्स ऑफ द पॉइंट्स r, कि अगर हमको मान लो आता है क्वेश्चन कि हमको r के कोऑर्डिनेट्स फाइंड करने हैं. ओके, सो द फॉर्मूला फॉर फाइंडिंग द कोऑर्डिनेट्स ऑफ r is given by m1x2 plus m2x1 upon m1 plus m2, that will give the x coordinates of the point r, and m1y2 plus m2y1 that will going to give the upon m1 plus m2 that is going to give the y coordinate of the points r. So it is an important formula. It's an important formula that's used and it is commonly used along with in the word problems. Okay, so the next formula that we are going to study is midpoint formula. So let us consider a line PQ that has R as the midpoint. So as the name suggests, midpoint. So in this we are going to find the coordinates of the midpoint R. R is the midpoint of the line P and Q, line PQ, where P has the coordinates x1, y1 and Q has the coordinates x2, y2. So here R is the coordinates of x1 plus x2 by 2 and y1 plus y2 by 2. x1 plus x2 by 2 will give the x coordinate of the point R, and y1 plus y2 will give the y coordinates of the point R. Okay, so the next formula that is used in this chapter is centroid of a triangle. As the name suggests, centroid means the center point of the circle that is represented by G. How do we find the centroid? So centroid is the basically when we draw a straight line from all the angle bisectors. We draw all the angle bisectors of all the angles of a triangle, then the midpoint where all the angle bisectors meet is known as the centroid of the triangle. Okay, so let us consider A point, B point and C. So x1, y1 is the coordinates of A, x2, y2 is the coordinate of B, x3, y3 is the coordinate of C. Then G is the centroid, and it can be find out with the help of x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3. That is going to give the x coordinate of the centroid, and y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3 that is going to give the coordinate of the y coordinate of the centroid. The next formula that we have already studied in the previous class, 9th class, that you might have studied, is the distance formula. Distance formula is commonly used, and it is used to find the distance between the 2 points on a line. So suppose let us consider there is a line x1 PQ which has the coordinates P and Q. P point and Q point has the coordinates x1, y1 and Q has the coordinates x2, y2. Then if we need to find the distance between the 2 points or simply the length of the line, then we are going to use the distance formula. Distance formula simply says under root of x2 minus x1 ka square plus y2 minus y1 ka square. Okay, that's it for today. And I know that if you might have understood, please like and share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. In the next topic we are going to study about the important questions of the same chapter. Thank you for watching.